Sendspark's Outreach integration lets you send personalized videos at scale in Outreach. For example, you can create one video template here, video for you, and then when you send this to different people, have it automatically pull in their first name, company name, or other dynamic variables. So here, this is a Brandon example. It says video for Brandon. And if we send this to Antonio, you see video for Antonio. The way you can set this up, first you're going to record your video in Sendspark, or you can upload or import an existing video. And then you can use these merge tags in Sendspark. There's a few places you can add these. So one is the title. This is what goes above the video. I wrote video for first name, or it'll fall back to you here. And then would love to show you how we can help company name or your company grow with personalized videos. You can also add this to the video preview. This is what people see in email. To get here, click share video, and then click this customize button. And then here you can say video for you, hi there, any place you want to add in the first name variable. And to add the variable, you're just going to click into the text area and then click on personalize, and then you can choose the variable you want to add here. When you're all good to send, just click on this share with personalization button for Outreach. If you don't see it, click edit add, and you'll be able to manage your view and make sure that you're seeing the right email platform that you want to share your video in here. Okay, so copy this code snippet for Outreach, and then you can go into Outreach, and here I'll cancel this and create a new template. So from the template library in Outreach, click new template, new, and then let's name it Outreach demo. You can add a subject here, and then just paste the code snippet you copied from Sendspark in here. It doesn't matter if you clear formatting or not, so click whichever button you prefer. And then you'll see your video here, and you can see the personalization appearing in the preview on the right. So here's the Brandon example and the Antonio example. I hope this helps you connect more people faster and more personally, and definitely let us know if you have any questions. Happy recording.